There you go.
Rangers, roll out.
What is that set called?
Mine?
Is that a full set?
It's the shoulders from something, and then it's the Conqueror's shoulders, and everything else is sovereign.
Wait, my set or Brett's set?
Conquer. I'm gonna make the Conqueror set because I want the transmog.
How do you make it?
You just make it out of on the place over here
Where?
where I'm at.
But guys, I'm actually gonna end the stream for now, but I'll still be playing this game. Thank you all for coming. I'm gonna enjoy some more Diablo offline with some friends. Appreciate you guys coming and hanging out with me tonight. I'll be back tomorrow. I'm not sure what time.